Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're taking you inside one of the most innovative and exciting releases in the world of motorhomes, the Toyota Motorhome 2026. Toyota has long been admired for its reliability, smart engineering, and forward-thinking designs. And now they've brought all of that into the motorhome market with a vehicle that blends practicality, futuristic technology, and luxury in a way that's hard to match. The exterior of the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is striking from the very first glance. Toyota has designed this vehicle with aerodynamic lines that make it stand out on the road, while also improving fuel efficiency. The front fascia carries Toyota's modern styling cues with a bold grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic presence. The large side windows not only enhance visibility for the driver, but also provide wide panoramic views for passengers. Subtle details like hidden storage panels, retractable awnings, and roof-mounted solar panels add to the practicality while keeping the design clean and elegant. It feels less like a bulky RV and more like a futuristic travel companion designed with precision. Inside, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 feels like stepping into a high-tech apartment on wheels. The living area is spacious, with modular seating that can be rearranged to suit different needs, whether you're traveling as a family, a couple, or a solo adventurer. Premium materials line the interior, from soft-touch leather seats to eco-friendly wood accents, and ambient lighting adds warmth to the space. The kitchen is compact yet highly functional, equipped with modern appliances including a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, and a microwave oven. Toyota has also designed clever storage solutions that make sure every inch of the space is utilized efficiently, giving you the ability to carry more while keeping everything neat and organized. The sleeping arrangements are equally impressive. The primary bedroom offers a full-size memory foam bed with smart lighting and USB charging ports nearby, while additional foldable sleeping options ensure that families can comfortably fit inside. A pop-up roof expansion is also available, adding even more flexibility for travelers who need extra space. The bathroom feels modern and luxurious, complete with a rainfall shower, water-efficient fixtures, and eco-friendly design touches that make it possible to stay off-grid longer. Performance is another area where Toyota has made the 2026 motorhome shine. It comes with multiple powertrain options, including a hybrid model that combines a fuel-efficient petrol engine with an electric motor, and a fully electric version designed for those who want a sustainable travel solution. Both powertrains deliver smooth, powerful performance that feels refined on highways and capable enough for off-road adventures. With all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, this motorhome is prepared for a variety of terrains, making it ideal for road trips that go beyond the beaten path. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a digital display, advanced navigation, and a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety has been prioritized with Toyota's latest suite of driver assist features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering a large vehicle much easier. Off-grid capabilities have been designed with the future in mind. Solar panels on the roof, a large battery pack, and water recycling systems allow travelers to stay away from campsites longer while maintaining comfort. Whether it's powering your kitchen appliances, charging devices, or simply running the climate control, this motorhome can handle it all without needing constant external support. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has positioned the Motorhome 2026 to offer excellent value. The base hybrid model is expected to start around $95,000, while the fully electric model with all the luxury upgrades may reach up to $120,000. Compared to European luxury RVs, this makes it an affordable yet feature-rich option that will appeal to a wide audience. The Toyota Motorhome 2026 is not just another RV, it's a redefinition of what travel freedom looks like.